regarding how you can make a lehenga or a two-piece from your mother's sari. Yes guys, it is made by me. It's very simple to make a lehenga and you can also make it. You just need to follow the instruction which is given in the video and you can make it by yourself. About the lehenga, the skirt is an umbrella cut which I have made, and about the top, it's very cool. It have a strap to tie. You can wear this with jeans also. So without further ado, let's start with stitching.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I will be going to convert this sari into a lehenga, or we can say a two-piece dress. Before that, kindly subscribe my channel. Now this is a soft cotton cloth which I am taking. It's about 4 meter. You can take any sari or cloth of your choice. I have selected this one because I like the print of it. So without wasting time, let's start. Now firstly we will focus on the skirt. So for skirt, these are the measurement required. Full length will be calculated by measuring from shoulder to floor plus heel length if you want. Like in my case, from shoulder to floor length is 53 inch plus 2 inch heels. So that will be equal to 55. Second one is skirt length. So for this, you will measure from your waistline to floor plus heel length if you want. Like in my case, from my waistline to floor, measurement is 42 plus 2 inch of heel. That will be equal to 44. So my skirt length is equal to 44. Now comes the waist round. Measure your waist where you want your skirt to be. Now we have to calculate X. It's a formula which is used in umbrella cut skirt. So that will be equal to waist round divided by 3 plus 1. In my case, waist round is 34. When I will divide it by 3 and plus 1, that will be equal to 12.5 inch. Similarly, calculate yours. To make it easy, firstly I am showing you skirt cutting on paper. Let's consider this is your cloth or sari. We will measure and then mark full length on it. In my case, full length is 55. Now from there, I will fold it. Now take any end of folded edge and make a triangle by placing like this. From triangle end point, we will mark X length, which is calculated previously. In my case, it is 12.5 to 13 inch. So I will mark it. Then move the inch tape from bottom and again mark X. Repeat the process. Now join the marked dot and you will get a circular curve like this. And now cut it. Now after cutting, mark the skirt length. In my case, skirt length is 44. So I will mark 44 inch. And now move the inch tape from above and from bottom. And again mark the skirt length. Repeat this till the end. Join the dots and then cut it out. This will give you circular curve from bottom. Cut the extra part from it. For more convenience, you can cut this extra part before also. Now after removing the extra part, you have this. Now we have to give the joint at the bottom in order to complete the circular shape. We will take the remaining part and place it edgewise on edge of the skirt like I am doing. Now we will again mark the skirt length by placing and moving inch tape from top to bottom. in same manner I am doing. Join the points and then cut it out. And the cutting is done. Now let's start the cutting on cloth. This is the cloth. I have measured full length and then folded it like the same I did with paper. Firstly, cut the extra fabric from the bottom. Now it's time to make a triangle by placing any corner like this, as you can see. Now take triangle corner and mark X, which is calculated previously. In my case it is between 12.5 to 13, so I will mark 13 inch and then moving inch tape from bottom and again marking 13. Repeat this. Now join the line, and after joining you will get the circular curve. Now after cutting you have to mark skirt length like this. Skirt length in my case is 44, which we have calculated previously. I will mark 44 inch and then move the inch tape from above and from bottom also, and again mark 44. Do it till the end. Now join the line, and after joining you will get the circular curve. And now cut it out. Before cutting the full circular curve, I am cutting the close edge which I got at the bottom. Now I got open edges, and now cut the full curve. And after cutting you will get this. Now time to make joint at the bottom. Now we will take the remaining part and place it edgewise on edge of the skirt where we want the joint, as I am doing. Now we will again mark the skirt length by placing and moving inch tape from top and bottom, as we have done previously. And after joining the points we will get this. Now time to cut it out. Now stitch these together from inside. And after stitching we will get this. I have stitched these from inside and also iron it to give it a nice finishing. And after that we will open the skirt like this. And now give the stitching at both sides. And after stitching you will get this. Look at the flares, how beautiful it comes out. I have also hemmed the bottom of the skirt. Now I will attach a strap and a zip at corner in order to give my skirt nice fitting. Firstly, we will attach a strap. For a strap, cut a cloth from remaining in rectangular form 4-inch wide. Now place the right side of rectangular piece and skirt together like this and stitch it, and then fold the strap inside and hem it. I have attached the strap and now we will attach the zipper at the corner. And your skirt will be ready. Now for the top you need first top length. Top length is total length of top you want. Measure it from your shoulder. Second is circular length. Measure your waist where the top will end. In my case it is 34. Now you have to calculate y. Y is equal to circular length divided by 4 plus 3. In my case, circular length is 34 divided by 4 plus 3 will be equal to 12.5 inch. Now take the remaining cloth and fold it and again fold it and place it properly. And now you will have 4 layers. Now place any of your kurta or dress of good fitting on it. Fold the sleeves and draw the pattern. Remove the kurta or dress. Mark the top length. In my case it is 12 inch, so I will mark it. And now draw a straight line like I am doing. And now unfold the fabric. Mark Y, which is calculated previously. I will extend the line till 12.5. And now draw a line and join the points like this. Now cut the pattern by leaving half inch of seam allowance. After cutting you will get this type of piece. Now take the remaining fabric. I have already folded it. Now place the cutted piece on it. Trace the pattern and then cut it out. Now you will get two front parts like this. Now for each part, stitch it from here and here. For stitching, keep the right side together and wrong side up. In the same way I am doing. And then give a stitch from here and here. Do not stitch these two sides. Keep it open. Now for the back portion, take the remaining fabric, double it, then make a rectangle of length, circular length divided by 2. In my case, circular length is 34, divided by 2 will be equal to 17. So length will be 17 and width will be according to your choice, how much you want your back to be short. I'm taking 8 inch. I have stitched these two edges. At this edge we will attach the back part. Have also stitched the back part lengthwise. You don't have to stitch the width edges. Now make the rectangle right side up and place it in between wrong side up piece like I'm doing. Front piece is wrong side up and rectangle is right side up. You will keep this rectangle in between this piece like this. And after giving the stitching, you will get this type of joint piece. Now make stitch piece right side up. Iron it, and this is the extra piece. You don't need to worry about it. I will hem it from inside. Now do it for the second piece also. Keep the rectangular part between wrong side up piece like I am doing. Now stitch it. After stitching, turn it right side up and iron it for finishing. You will get this. Now attach two straps. We will attach it from inside. And now in order to attach a zipper, make a cut at center of the back. In the same way I am doing. Attach the zipper and also hem the bottom of the top. Adjust and stitch the front according to your bust size and your circular length. After doing that, your top will be ready. So guys, before showing the final look, kindly subscribe my channel, also like the video and comment below if you have any issue. Thank you so much. Bye bye.